Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about 12 phrases for saying I miss you. I miss you. I feel sad without you. I miss you. You are everything to me. All I do is think of you. I love being around you. I yearn for you. I miss your smile. You bring joy to my life. I hope I see you again. You are my treasure. You are my sunshine. I wish you were here. You crossed my mind. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.